It's a widely used tool in various fields like in biology, psychology, and economics to understand how changes in one affects changes in another one. What does person R measures? So person R quantifies the extent at which two variables increase or decrease by one another. Person R, strength or relation. The absolute value of person R indicates the strength of the relationship. It ranges from +1, which indicates a perfect positive correlation, -1, which indicates a perfect negative correlation, and 0 indicates no linear correlation. In +1, as one variable increases, the other variable increases in a proportional manner. In -1, the one variable increases and the other one decreases. In 0, it indicates no changes in both variables. So in solving problems or calculating the relationship between two variables, we will use the person R correlation formula, which is R is equal to N summation of xy subtracted by x multiplied with the summation of y over square root of N summation of x squared subtracted by summation of x raised to 2 and N summation of y squared subtracted by summation of y raised to 2. So this is an example. A group of 5 students was surveyed about their height in inches and weight in pounds. Calculate the person correlation coefficient between height and weight of students. So this is the data collected for the height and weight of the students. So the x is the height and y is the weight. So the summation of x is 322. The summation of y is 700. X squared 60 raised to the second power, 62 raised to the second power, 65 raised to the second power, 67 raised to the second power, 68 raised to the second power, and this is the summation. All y squared 120 raised to the second power, 130 raised to the second power, 140 raised to the second power, 150 raised to the second power, 160 raised to the second power, and this is the summation of all. And xy, 60 multiplied by 120 is 62 multiplied by 130 is 8060. 65 multiplied by 140 is 9100, and so on. This is the summation of xy. So using the data, we will solve their relationship. So using the formula, person R relations formula, we will calculate the relationship between height and weight of students. So these summations, we will just simplify it here using the formula. xy 45 290 minus x 352 y 700. multiplied to 700. So 5 multiplied is 22, 6, 4, 15. Minus 322 multiplied to 700 is 22,545,400. The result of 5 multiplied to 20,782 is 10,000. The result of 5 multiplied to 20,782 is 20. And the result for 322 raised to the second power is 10,036. The result for 5 multiplied to 99,000 is 990,000. 700 raised to the second power is 490,000. After calculating, we will now subtract. Subtract the first two numerators. You will get 1,050. Subtract the summation of 5 multiplied by 20,782 and the summation of 322 raised to the second power. So we will subtract 207,820 and 103,684. And we will get 10,404.6. And we will now subtract 990,000 to 490,000. And we will get 500,000. After calculating or subtracting the numerator and the denominators, we will now multiply 104,136 to 500,000. And we will get first capital numerator and multiply the denominator. We will get 52
million.
52 billion 68 million. After getting the after getting the summation of 104, after getting the summation of 104,136 multiplied by 500,000, we will now simplify. But first, square root the denominator. Copy the numerator, and the square root of the denominator is 22, 81, 84.48, which is 228,184.48. We will now divide 1,050 over 228,184.14 is equals to 0.0. relationship between two variables, between height and weight. So for the second example is, a study is conducted to find the relationship between age and number of children among 6 families. Calculate the percent correlation between age and the number of children among families. So this is the data conducted among 6 families and their age. X is the age and Y is the number of children. So these are the data and these are their summations. The summation of X is 135. Or the summation of Y, which is the number of children, is 17. X squared, 20 raised to the second power, 21 raised to the second power, 22 raised to the second power, 23 raised to the second power, 24 raised to the second power, and 25 raised to the second power. And these are the result. And this is their summation. Y squared, 2 raised to the second power, 3 raised to the second power, and 4 raised to the second power. And these are the result, and these are all their summation. XY, 20 multiplied by 2, 40. 21 multiplied by 2 equals 42. 22 multiplied by 3 is equal to 66. 23 multiplied by 3 is 69. 24 multiplied by 3 is 72. 25 multiplied by 4 is 100. And this is their summation. We will now calculate and find the relationship between these two variables, between age and the number of children in families. Using the formula of person-order relation, we will now get the results. First, determine the values of summation of xy, x, y, x squared, x, y squared, and y. Simplify. And so Rn is the 6 families being conducted. X, y, minus x is 135. And the summation of y is 17. Square root. Don't forget the square root. 6. Summation of x in the second power is 3055. And x in the second power I 135. 135. And which is the x. Summation of y squared is 15. And the value of y is 17. We will now calculate 6 multiplied by 389 subtracted to 135 multiplied by 17 over square root of 6 multiplied by 3055 subtracted to 135 to the second power. And 6 multiplied by 51 subtracted to 17 and to the second power. So the result for 6 multiplied by 389 is 2,334. And 135 multiplied by 17 is 2,285. Square root. 6 multiplied by 3,055 is 18,330. Subtracted to 135 raised to the second power is 18,235. 6 multiplied to 51 is 306. And 17 raised to the second power is 289. We will now subtract. First, subtract the first two numerators. 2,334 subtracted by 2,295 is equals to 39. And 18,330 subtracted to 18,225 some correlation between the age and the number of children among 6 families.